I do not have TikTok. I do not have Instagram. I have email. Does that make me old?
Yes, William, a little. But do not worry. Today I will teach you everything you need to know about social media in English.
Hello. I am William and I am officially a social media beginner.
And I am Sarah, your social media guide. This episode is Level A2, great for beginners learning English.
Today's 6 key phrases are go viral, follow back, scroll through, post a story, blow up, and unfollow.
In today's story, I am explaining TikTok to William who has never used it before. Listen and learn the language of social media.
Okay, Sarah, explain TikTok to me. What actually happens on there?
Okay, so you open the app and you just scroll through videos. Short videos, 15 seconds to a few minutes.
You scroll through videos all day. Is that it?
That is just watching. You can also make your own videos. If your video is really funny or interesting, it can go viral.
What does go viral mean exactly?
When something goes viral, millions of people see it and share it. Like a virus, it spreads everywhere very fast.
Interesting. And what about posting? I hear people say post a story. What is a story?
A story is a short video or photo that disappears after 24 hours. You post a story to show people what you are doing right now.
Oh, like a photo of your coffee? That is a story?
Yes, exactly. Some people post a story every hour. I do it once or twice a day.
And what about following people? If I follow someone, do they follow back?
Not always. Famous people usually do not follow back. But regular people often follow back if they like your content.
Great conversation. Let us learn the first 3 phrases now. Number 1, go viral. When content goes viral, it spreads very quickly to a huge number of people online.
Examples. His video went viral overnight, 10 million views. Or, I want my post to go viral. Viral comes from the word virus, something that spreads fast.
Number 2, follow back. On social media, when you follow someone and they follow you too, they follow back. It means they are now following you in return.
People often say, follow me and I will follow back. It is very common in comments and captions.
Number 3, scroll through. To scroll through means to move through content on your phone by swiping up or down. You scroll through your feed, your messages, or videos.
For example, I spent 2 hours scrolling through Instagram last night. It is easy to lose track of time.
Okay, Sarah, this is starting to make sense. What about blow up? I heard someone say their account blew up.
When an account blows up, it gets a lot of followers very quickly. It is similar to going viral, but it is specifically about growing your audience fast.
So an account blows up after a video goes viral?
Exactly. One viral video and your account blows up. Suddenly you have 100,000 followers.
And what about unfollow? When do people unfollow someone?
You unfollow someone when you do not want to see their posts anymore. Maybe they're annoying or you just lost interest.
Is it rude to unfollow someone you know in real life?
It can be. Some people get very offended when you unfollow them. So be careful who you unfollow.
Social media sounds complicated. I think I will just scroll through videos for now and not post a story.
That is a great start, William. And who knows, maybe one day your account will blow up and you will go viral. Now the last 3 phrases. Number 4, post a story. To post a story means to share a short photo or video on social media that is only visible for 24 hours.
Instagram and TikTok both have stories. You can say, I posted a story about my trip. Or, did you see my story from last night?
Number 5, blow up. When an account or post blows up, it suddenly gets millions of views or followers. It grows very fast and becomes very popular.
Example, her cooking page blew up after one video. She now has 2 million followers. You can also say a song blew up, a meme blew up, and so on.
Number 6, unfollow. To unfollow someone means to stop following their social media account. You will no longer see their posts in your feed.
For example, I had to unfollow him. He posted too much. Or, she noticed I unfollowed her and was upset. Social media drama is very real.
Now let us practice the social media vocabulary. Repeat after me.
Her video went viral overnight.
He did not follow back after I followed him.
I was just scrolling through TikTok.
I am going to post a story from the concert.
His account blew up after one video.
I had to unfollow her. She posted too much.
Social media quiz. Listen to each situation and choose the right phrase.
Question 1. A funny cat video gets 20 million views in one day. You say, that video really blink. A. Unfollowed. B. Went viral. C. Posted a story.
Answer B. It went viral. 20 million views in one day. That is definitely viral.
Question 2. You spend 30 minutes looking at photos and videos on Instagram without purpose. What are you doing? A. Posting a story. B. Following back. C. Scrolling through your feed.
The answer is C. Scrolling through your feed. That is what most people do for hours without realizing it.
Question 3. Someone posts too many ads and you do not want to see their content anymore. What do? A. Blow up their account. B. Unfollow them. C. Follow back.
Answer B. Unfollow them. You stop following someone when you do not want to see their posts.
Amazing! Now you can talk about social media in English like everyone else online.
Let us review today's phrases. Go viral, follow back, scroll through, post a story, blow up, and unfollow. You are officially social media fluent.
Thank you for listening. Share this episode with a friend and who knows, maybe it will go viral. See you next time.